Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing good out there. If you want to see how I created these nails, just check the video above. There will be a link to that. First, today I have a bunch of nail mail. One is a win that I just got in and I would just want to share it with you when I open it, and another one is a SheModern package. First of all, I didn't open it. This is from a win from the channel Just Nailed It. And I'm going to open it up. Hopefully I won't destroy anything inside. Just be on the safe side here. Please, 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 please don't let me destroy nothing. Looks like I did fine. She included a beautiful card with peonies on it. She just doesn't know I love peonies. Let me just read this real quick. It's a beautiful card with peonies on it. I really like it. Let's see. I have a bunch of stuff sitting here. Charlie's nail art. These look like water decals for Christmas. She now has a code for Charlie's nail art. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure down below she'll comment it. Has some pretty roses. Hot pink, I know that's one of her favorite colors. Ooh, glitters and more. Netting, which I still haven't used netting. You can encapsulate this, you can imprint designs on your nails with it. And some mylar flakies. This looks like ice to me. And some deep royal blue, what is this, rhombus? Oh yeah, turn it over. Rhombus and royal blue. And blue mylar, 4 grams, 3 grams. And oh, this was one of the foils that I was wanting so badly. It's hollow and it's floral. It's so pretty. And you can go to charliesnailart.co.uk to find any of these items. And I'm sure she will be coming down below what her code is. That's perfectly fine. When I ask you to comment your codes, go ahead. It's always a good idea to save some money. So let me put these away. So a big thank you to my friend from Just Nailed It. I really appreciate your gift. Technically it was a win, but I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Hey everyone, till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.